Hello everyone, I am Mantosh Kumar. I am the student of class 9 from Srishti Classes, Machligaon. Today we are going to learn the most important chapter, that is noun and noun case. Noun. Naming what are called noun. Noun case. Noun case tells about the relation of noun and pronoun with another word in a sentence. There are 4 types of nouns case in English. The first is nominative case, the second one is objective case, third possessive case, and the fourth vocative case. Subjective case. Subjective case is also known as nominative case. The use of noun and pronoun in the sentence as in the form of subject is called, then that noun and pronoun are called subjective case. For example, India attacked Pakistan. In this sentence, India is used as a subject. Then India is called subjective case. Objective case. The use of noun and pronoun as in the form of object in the sentence, then that noun and pronoun are said to be objective case. In this sentence, Pakistan is used as an object and Pakistan is called objective case. Let's take another example. Ram said to me. Here in this sentence, Ram is subjective case and me is used as objective case by changing the form. जब कोई भी नाउन सब्जेक्ट या ऑब्जेक्ट के स्थान पर प्रयोग किए जाते हैं उसके फॉर्म में कोई परिवर्तन नहीं होता, लेकिन अगर कोई प्रोनाउन प्रयोग किया जाता है सब्जेक्ट या ऑब्जेक्ट के फॉर्म में तो उसके फॉर्म में परिवर्तन होता है. जैसे राम सेड टू मी, अगर इसे लिखा जाए आई सेड टू राम, तो यहाँ मी के जगह पे आई हो जाता है, इसके फॉर्म में परिवर्तन आ जाता है. पॉजिटिव केस टेल्स द रिलेशन ऑफ नाउन एंड प्रोनाउन विद अनदर वर्ड. इट शो possession. If we want to show the possession, we use apostrophe s, and we can also use of. They both shows the relation of noun and pronoun like a possession. For example, he gave me my pen. In this sentence, my pen shows the possession with the noun. Then my shows possession. Then my is possessive case. There are certain basic rules that we have to follow. We use apostrophe s at the end of singular living proper noun. For example, Ram's bag. We can also write bag of Ram. The bag of Ram. In both sentence, apostrophe s and of shows the possession of other word with the noun. The second rule is, if any plural noun do not end with s letter, if we want to make its possessive form, then we use apostrophe s at the end of that particular noun. For example, men. Here in this sentence, main is plural noun and we want to show possession. Then we use apostrophe s with noun to show possession. And another rule, that is, if any plural noun ends with s later, then we use only apostrophe sign at the end of that particular noun. For example, boys hostel. It is wrong. If we want to correct it, then we use apostrophe sign to show possession. Boys hostel. Girls hostel. We use apostrophe s with the time indicating words. For example, one day's leave. Here 1 day shows the time indicating and we use apostrophe s to show its position. We use apostrophe s with the quantifier noun, that is non-living. For example, a kilogram sweet. If we want to show possession, then we use apostrophe s with the quantifier noun. We use apostrophe s to show joint possession at the end of last word, like Ram and Shyam's house. If we want to show the joint possession, then we use apostrophe s at the end of last word. Here in the sentence, Ram and Shyam's, they are plural in number. Then we use apostrophe s at the end of last subject, that is Ram and Shyam's house. We use apostrophe s with the items and phrases. For example, a ship's passenger. A ship's passengers. In this sentence, apostrophe s shows the relation. We use apostrophe s with the unit of money. If value and word are used, for example, a rupee's value. If value is used, then we use apostrophe s. If value is not used, then we do not use apostrophe s. In this we use apostrophe s with a compound noun to show possession. For example, a bedroom. In this sentence, bedroom is a compound noun and we want to show the possession, then we use apostrophe s to make its possessive form. We use apostrophe s with the noun in a position. If noun in a position is used, for example, he is Adil. He is Adil Mantosh's servants. Here, noun in a position is used. That's why we use apostrophe s at the end of noun in a position word. Vocative case. Vocative case tells the exhortation, which means संबोधन कारक. Vocative case हमें सब्जेक्ट को नाउन या प्रोनाउन को संबोधित करते हुए बताता है. For example, Adil go out. Adil go out. Here Adil Adil is used as a subject and I tell let Adil go out. आदिल को संबोधित करते हुए मैं कह रहा हूं आदिल बाहर जाओ. For example, मुस्कान का मेयर, मुस्कान इधर आओ. इसे यहाँ पे हम संबोधित करते हुए कह रहे हैं तो हमें एवोकेटिव केस है. यहाँ पे मुस्कान का प्रयोग वोकेटिव केस के तौर पे किया गया है. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो इस चैनल को ज्यादा से ज्यादा सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.